guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some dermaplaning by the Skinny Confidential. I think it's on there. Yeah, the Skinny Confidential. So if you want to see, this is special because I ordered this special and it has shaving cream. Hot shaving cream. So if you want to see the correct way to do this, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. From the Skinny Confidential, let's get this started. As far as I know, the Skinny Confidential was made from an influencer, and she started off with a lot of pink products. I love that all of her products are pink. So she's got lots of products for sale now. And I really want that ice face roller so bad. But I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to try out these products that I just unboxed. Let me read about the face cream. It's called the Skinny Confidential. I like that they had shaving cream for women for the face. So directions, make sure the face is clean, which I just got out of the shower. Then apply the Skinny Confidential Hot Shave Cream. Always use a sanitized blade for shaving. Clean with rubbing alcohol in between uses. See, I didn't know that. And then it says, hold skin taut and the razor at an angle using gentle, short strokes in upward motions all over the face. We like to shave upward, but some people prefer downward. Do you? I don't know. I've always went downward, so we might try upward. Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Post-shave pro tip. Use the hot mess ice roller after shaving to tighten and cool the skin. I don't have the ice roller, but we do have this to start off with to try the brand. And please go follow Bobby Jean Spears. He is hilarious, okay? I love him to death. He's so funny, and he's how I found the Skinny Confidential. So I think the packaging, it's so cute. It's in a little cardboard box, and you can reuse these up to 3 times, is what it said online. But we will clean it with alcohol after we get done. I did not know that. I always reuse mine without cleaning, but you know, I didn't know that. So I don't know if you all are actually going to be able to see me looking into this mirror, so I will do my best. So this is a really huge thing of shaving cream. I hope it smells like girl stuff, like, you know, fruity. And okay, so it's purple or pink. Doesn't seem to have a smell. I gotta make sure I get these wispies up in here. Do I need to wet the face, or did it just say put it on? It just says just to apply. Oh wow, I cannot wait to get rid of all the hair. I'm going down the neck. I'm really gonna do a good job. I wish I had my contacts in though, so I could see. And it's best to go in sections. So we're gonna go in sections. We're gonna start right here. Probably won't have time for skincare, guys. You need to hold it at a 45-degree angle. Oh, wow. You might not be able to see all the hair, but there's hair in there, like right there. Look at all that hair. Look at all that hair. I have not shaved my face in a while. Oh my gosh, how gross. Look at all that hair. I think some of that is my sideburns. Right here. Then I tried to get out of the way. Yeah. I do know that using this shaving cream does make the face feel so much cooler. Man, I cannot wait to freaking beat this face tomorrow, guys. That is so gross. I'm gonna get a new one. I feel like I should be rinsing my blade in between. I do know I have longer hairs on my neck than I do on my face. Shaving cream on our face. I want to wait and do this area last. I might do it next. Look at that hair. All right. If you find this satisfying, raise your hand in the comments. If you find this disgusting, I'm rinsing it. I feel like I have to rinse it. Put a I mean, not all women do this, but there is a lot of people that do this. It's actually beneficial. We're getting into more peach fuzz. brush. And my chin hairs. Thing is like a string full of hair. I hate shaving right here where I have a couple hairs. Because when they start to grow out, they're more coarse and hard. Oh yeah, there's lots on there. And it's been a while. Who can hear that? Let me look. See how this lasts up to 3 times. I really don't, because it's starting to get dull. I buy the ones at, I'm so thirsty. You know, like TJ Maxx and places like that. And I use them like twice. Forehead. I heard somebody say they went downward for the forehead on that page, I think. And I gotta get right in there too. So I've got to see what I'm doing. I can't shave off my eyebrows, guys. So I have to be looking this way so you can watch. Just got a lot of clothes, so there's a lot of stuff in my bathroom. And then I'm gonna get right through here on the nose. I don't know if I should do my nose or not. I've seen somebody do their nose, but I don't think I should do my nose. I don't want to have hair growing out my nose when I'm... Well, I was getting ready to say 50, but I'm 50. Oh, shit. When I get older. Just to say, when I start to look my age, hopefully that never comes. Jesus, that's a lot of hair. Oh, I bet I'm shaving my baby hairs off. Let me take these off so I can get the sides. Yep, more hair. My hair. I can't see without my glasses. Face is smoother than a baby's butt. And I gotta clean my little razor. So let me know if you dermaplane or not. You know, hold those hands up. And have you ever tried the Skinny Confidential? I would like to know, because I think I like it. I think I like it. As long as these blades last up to 3 uses, we gonna be in like Flynn. Let me know down in the comments, do you dermaplane? And if you do not, you heard all the benefits. Gets rid of dead skin, helps the pores, gives you a smooth baby feeling face, and I just cannot wait to do my skincare with my face feeling like this, because it feels so good. And this hot shave cream, I'm gonna give this like 4.5 out of 5 stars, because it was freaking amazing. I really liked it. As long as I don't break out, it should get 5 stars. I'm not really a breakout person, but you know, there is always the chance of that when you're using something new, trying new products. And now we are going to take an alcohol prep pad and we are going to clean our razor. So I'm just going to go up into the razor with my alcohol prep pad and pull down. See if I've got any hair stuck in there. And where I wet it, I'm going to let it set out and dry on its own. I'm not going to put the cap back on it. There's no children here right now. And I'm going to let it dry so it doesn't get rusty or anything like that. Not saying that it would, but I have cleaned my tool. And I love this. I just love that it says hot shave. And then the Skinny Confidential side. So yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments, did you like this video? If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big old thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, well then honey, please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Stay blessed.